in subject algebra, exercise number 1.1, linear equation in two variable. Now first question is, complete the following activity to solve the simultaneous equation. Given equation is that 5x plus 3y equal to 9, and second equation is 2x minus 3y equal to 12. Now we have to solve these given simultaneous equations. Now concentrate on these are the variable x and y are the variable in this given equations, and the 5 is a coefficient of x. Similar here in the second equation, 2 is the coefficient of x. In the second point is that in the first equation the coefficient of y is plus 3, and second equation the coefficient of y is minus 3. So easily calculate the value of x and y. First concentrate on the part in the given first equation, write down as it is. The solution of this equation, given equation is 5x plus 3y equal to 9. Then second equation is 2x minus 3y equal to 12. Now concentrate on the part, the first and second equation, the coefficient of y is same value, means plus, here is the plus 3 and second case is minus 3. So easily we can subtract this or delete this y coefficient. Suppose if you add equation 1 and 2, we get 5x plus 3y equal to 9 and 2x minus 3y equal to 12. Just add it, these two equations. 5x plus 2y equal to 7x, and 3y plus minus means minus 3y, plus minus get cancelled, your value is 0, and then 9 plus 12 is equals to 21. So x is equals to 21 by 7 equal to 3. Here x value is 3. Substituting value of x equal to 3 in any equation. Suppose I put in the equation 1 in equation 1, then 5x, first equation is equation given is write down as it is, 5x plus 3y equal to 9. Now here put the value of x is equals to 3, 5 in bracket 3 plus 3y equal to 9. 5 3s are 15 plus 3y equal to 9. Then 3y equal to 9 minus 15. Your value is 9 minus 15. Your value is minus 6. 3y equals to minus 6. So y equals to minus 6 by 3. Here minus 2 means y equal to minus 2 and x equal to 3, means here x and y equal to 3 and minus 2. Here is the solution. Now in this way we have easily calculate the value of x and y from this given. Hello student, this is the question number 2. From question number 2, question 1 is 3a plus 5b equal to 26, and second equation is a plus 5b equal to 22. Now you have to concentrate on this part. Variable a is 3 and here variable a is 1. Now second point is variable in equation 1, the variable of b is 5, and second case also the variable b is plus 5. So we have to eliminate the any variable. Suppose I want to easy way to eliminate the second variable, because the both have the same value. No need to make same value. Easily we can here already given in the same value, so you can eliminate this b. In the write down the equation 3a plus 5b equal to 26, a plus 5b equal to 22. These are the given equation. Now this is the equation 1, this is the equation 2. Now how we can eliminate this? We just subtracting the equation 2 from equation 1, subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, we get 3a plus 5b equals to 26. Then a plus 5b equal to 22. Now subtracting this, 3a minus a is 2a and 5a minus 5b 0. 26 minus 24 is 4. That's why a equal to 4 by 2, that is 2. A equal to 2. Now substituting a equal to 2 in any equation. Suppose I take in equation 2, we get a equal to a plus 5b. Write down the second equation as it is, a plus 5b equal to 22. Now a equals to 2, a equal to 2 plus 5b equal to 22. Then 5b equal to 22 minus 2, 5b equal to 20, b equal to 20 by 5, that is b equal to 4. b equal to 4. These are the values of given simultaneous equation. Therefore value of a and b is equal to 2 and 4.